what are you doing here?
Yeah, I am practicing English with my students.
Sir, who is he?
A very obedient student, no? Looks very handsome also. And he knows how to play guitar. No?
Oh, really?
Huh?
I know.
Okay, hi. How are you?
Alhamdulillah. Over to you. What's about you, sir?
Yeah, Alhamdulillah, over the moon, not to shabby. অর্থাৎ মানে কোনো ঝামেলা নেই আলহামদুলিল্লাহ রমজান মাস আলহামদুলিল্লাহ অনেক ভালো আছি তো আর ইউ কিপিং ফাস্ট
Yes, sir.
ওকে so I'm also keeping fast okay can I ask some question to you?
Yes, of course, sir.
You can also ask any kind of question from me no problem okay
Okay, sir.
okay what is your name
My name is Mona Lisa. You can call me Mo, sir.
Mo can I call you Mo right and your name please
My name is Disha Cynthia, and you can call me dear.
okay both of student of Saiful Academy right
Yeah.
okay are you enjoying your class in here
Yes, very much.
okay you are enjoying very much okay what class do you read in
I read in class 8.
okay do you want to learn English
Yes, I want to learn English.
okay why do you want to learn English
Sir, it is an international language, and I think if I want to be a doctor, an engineer, or if I want to go to abroad, I should learn.
Hi sir, assalamu alaikum.
wa alaikum assalam hi
What are you doing here?
yeah I am practicing English with my students
Sir, who is he?
he's my ex-student
Really?
yeah
Okay. Sir, who is she?
she's my student and all are coming here for learning English you also know
Yes sir.
So-
Can I know about them?
yeah definitely you can and
What's your name?
My name is Disha Cynthia.
Oh, nice name. Thank you. What's your name?
My name is Mona Lisa.
Oh, which
Okay.
class do you reading?
and I am Saiful Islam I am the owner of the Saiful Academy do you know
Yes sir, I know.
oh, okay no okay you can bring this here no please bring and sit here okay Dia what is your favorite town
My favorite town is obviously Bharamara.
Beramar. Do you like very much Beramar,
Yes.
your town? Okay. Do you know after few days, after few weeks, maybe 2-3 weeks later, the Eid will become to
Yes.
us, huh?
So
Happy.
can I join with you, sir?
Yeah, sure. Have a seat
Okay,
here.
sir. Thank you.
Okay. He's Feroz. He's a very good Feroz.
Yes, sir.
Do you know English is very important for us?
Yes, sir. I know. Very important for us English.
What important?
What important? If you want to go.
English is very important,
outside-
right?
Yes.
You forget English is very important.
Yes, sir. English is
Very important.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You know how to ride a bike?
Yes, sir. I know very well.
Oh, you know very well.
Yes.
Not well. Okay. Can you tell me about this weather and environment here? How this
Oh, the weather is so calm and
calm
wind
and
is
cool.
blowing.
This is green, no?
Yeah,
Everything
yeah.
is green, no?
Yeah.
This is the nice play badminton ground. Here is the engineering college. Here is also we teach English in Saiful Academy. Right, no? So it is very good place, no? For you?
Yeah.
And it's very nice environment, I think, right? Okay.
Sir, how many courses are there in Saiful Academy right now?
Many courses we are designing for our students because spoken course, for fundamental course. So those are very beginner. I can teach them very beginning students. So those are the very early stage for English.
Sir,
I can teach them very this kind of English also.
Also-
And phonetics course available here. And those are going to the abroad for higher education. They can learn English like the IELTS and phonetics and better English you can learn from here. Definitely, it's a very good place for learning English, I think, as well.
Do you provide IELTS course as well?
Yeah, definitely. Why not? Those are want to go abroad and are coming here, many students here. So I can give them this kind of suggest also. And IELTS is available here. And after completing in a spoken course, definitely you can join our IELTS class, no problem.
Do you teach academic English?
Yeah, definitely. Why not? Academic English also here is available. Who those are interest for every grade exam like SSC, HSC. They can also come here and join our academic English here.
Sir, How many months we should learn English in Saiful Academy to speak English
It's
properly?
depend on your practice, you know. But there's no alternative way to practice to get the better success, no. So if you want to be the successful man, you have to be practice, and no doubt at all. Uh, Practice make a man perfect. It's depend 2 months, 3 months, or 6 months. How you practice that depend on this kind of things to get the success, right? So definitely you are practicing a lot. I think you will get the better mark, better score, better speaker. Will be the next very near future, I think.
Yes, sir.
Sir, how can I develop our speaking part?
You know, the same question, same answer. You know, practice make a man perfect. Every day, every single day, like this. We are practicing here. No, like group study.
Yes.
Every situation, every kind of situation, you have to belong this kind of things in your inner mind, and you deliver this kind of things. And that time you will be the one time good English speaker, no problem. But you learn English, but you didn't practice more, you didn't absorb this kind of environment, a lot of things in your mind. So that time you cannot be a good English speaker. You learn, practice. That is the success. That is the success rules to get the better English speaker.
Sir, how long have you been teaching in Saiful Academy?
Yeah, I have been teaching here since 15 years back, and so it's a long time, a period of time I am teaching English and English language, not only English. So I love English. I like English. I love to teach English my student. That's my.
Teaching is your favorite
Yeah,
profession?
must be. I get the many jobs in around the world. I can say you. And I did so many job in multinational, national. So no problem there in my job. So thing is that wherever I get the time to teach something like this, I get that kind of opportunity, any at any cost. So thank you so much for a nice time with me, and thank you once again. Next time I will give the most next feedback to you. Thank you
Okay,
You're
once again.
welcome,
Thank
sir.
you.